Hi there, welcome back to the next video. And in this video, as you can see, we will going to discuss about Fractile function. This function is available in both chart and script function, and it's basically for those who are involved in statistics and want to look at the fractile or quantile information from the data set. Now, in a nutshell, it helps us find the value that corresponds to the fractile or quantile of the aggregated data in the expression over a number of record as you would define in the backend by the group by clause. So let's see how we can implement it in the backend and then in the front end. So here is the data that is related to or that I want to use for fractile. It is a cross table. You have in the front end you will get two columns, type and value, along with the record number as ID. So the type will have an observation and comparison for each row, and value is basically the related value to observation and comparison, and we will try to figure out a fractile from this. Alright, so for this what I will say is fractile underscore table, whatever name you want to give for your statistical analysis, load type comma fractile. Fractile is the function, and fractile of value we want a 0.75, so that's basically indicates the 75th percent value as my fractile, or whatever value underscore fractile, whatever you want. Resident, the previous table, which is table 1, group by, let me close this, group by type, because type is present over here. Okay, so hit it save and load it. Once we load, it's done successfully. Come on the analysis, and I will create a table to show you the detail and dimension, which is, first of all, I will select type. Type will be nothing. If I go back, type will be observation and comparison. So if you see this, type observation and comparison, because we changed it from cross table to a flat table. And then what do I need? I need to come over here in add column section, click on dimension, click on my fractile. So observation is 36, which is a 75th percent observation, and the value or the comparison is basically 27.5. The value of under the comparison is 27.5. And the same thing you can do it in the front end as well by clicking on measure, but not the dimension, because this will be part of the measure. So we can say fractile, and then we will say value, alright, and 0.75, right? Click apply, you will get the same value. Now you can go and create other calculation, or you can change this. Let's say you want 50% one, you can change this and it will be changed accordingly, whatever that value, particular value is at the 0.5 or the 50% interval. But that's about how you can compute the fractile or the quantile information, which is very helpful for those who are involved in statistical analysis. And in front end you get much more option, as you must have seen when I was in expression editor. In this fractile, that you get static set analysis, you get total as the keyword, all distinct, but in the backend you get very less option, where I believe you only get like distinct, if I am not wrong, but not sure if that is also available. But front end is much more flexible. So that's about how you can implement the fractile in Qlik Sense, and I'll meet you now in the new video, the new topic.